What's up, everybody? We're about to take this NQ setup right here. Been waiting on this pretty much all day since the market opened. We got our zone right here that actually is holding pretty well, right? So this is the 5-minute chart, and you can see here that price is doing a pump fake. To me, looks like it's doing a pump fake because if you notice these wicks, they're only wicking out of this zone that we have marked here. Right, so it's only wicking out, which is pretty much just taking some liquidity to me. And on the 1-minute chart here, it's actually giving some signs of an A+ long setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. And also I'm gonna send this out to the group as well. Hopefully we can all eat off of this. I want to take it as soon as price passes there. Take 2 contracts. Going to be a buy. Let me get my screenshot ready. Going to send this to the Inner Circle group, which I'm a coach in with Juvier. If you're not part of it, you should join it because we'll be throwing out some bangers. Yep, tapped in. Let me adjust this. Hit the 5-to-1. We'll go for 5-to-1, and that's a little bit above 2-to-1 right there. Send this out to the group. Bam, that is sent. So let's go. Let's just sit back and wait and watch, and got some pretty good volume. So what I look for whenever I do a setup is normally going to be on the 1 minute, but I'm adding some confluences that I do find for Juvier's break and retest, which I just implemented on this trade right here after doing some back testing. Oh, that's doing a nice little pump right there. That's perfect. All right, so this green line right here is VWAP. The red line is our 50. So what I look for is price to come out of the zone, crossing over VWAP into 50, and then pretty much what I used to do was, or what I do is I would take from the previous low, that would be the stop loss. I wait for it to make a market structure shift, which it did right here and right here, and it created a gap. So that's your low, that's your high, and this is your gap right there. So that's what I would look for whenever I trade. And what I would do is when price, I'll put an order here. We actually got in a little bit better because we put it based off of this 5-minute zone. But what I would do is put the price right here, wait for it to tap in, then adjust my stop loss. You see this one's a little bit of a tighter stop loss, and I'll put it at the TP1 is 2-to-1. And then once it gets to 2-to-1, or when it gets to 2-to-1, we'll move up to break even, and just the rest is risk free, right? So on this particular trade though, we're gonna base it off of our 5-minute chart for the entry, and I will adjust based on the 1-minute chart like this. So the break and retest, it will take out these highs right here. That's what the break and retest the strategy that he uses is the break and retest to aim for previous highs on the 5-minute, which would be these highs right here. What we're going to do is we're going to implement that, and we're going to aim for our 2-to-1 based on my A+ setup as well. So I'm pretty much combining both of these strategies together. So send that out to the group, and let's watch and see what it does. Stay tuned. This is getting some good volume up here. I like this trade. We actually already passed 1-to-1. Sent that out to the group that we passed 1-to-1. At 1-to-1, it was about 96 ticks or something like that, which is great money. But the target is at least these highs right here. At least these highs, which is close to our 2-to-1. Cool, so we just took out those highs right there. You can see it's amazing. So we took out the highs. It's real close to our 2-to-1. Then we'll move up to break even. But at any time you can secure profits, remove your full position, whatever you want to do. But at this 2-to-1, I will be removing most of my position. You see here I have 2 contracts, so I'm going to remove one of them and move up to break even, send that out to the group, and let everybody secure the bag. Nice, there it is, 2-to-1. Easy money. Sent that out to the group. That 2-to-1 is hit. Move up to break even now. We secured some of our position already by removing half of our position at the 2-to-1. Now we can just do whatever we need to do, and this is a risk-free trade at this point. You can actually move it up into profit as well. You can move it up to the 1-to-1. So these are Heikin-Ashi candles on the 5 minutes, so this is a good area here. I just move it up just to secure some extra gains as well, because you can see that other position by itself is up 1,300. So we will take some of that as well, and hopefully we can get up here to the 5-to-1. If not, I'm really considering just moving this down here to this high from this candle over here. I think that would be a great target actually. And that's going to be my risk-free trade. So I'm just going to let this ride out. Alright, I am fully out of the position now. We did secure some profits. Price did pull back quite a bit. I still believe that it still wants to push up based on what I'm seeing here. This may just be another retest of this zone right here. But all in all, we made some money, and it was a great trade. NQ fed us today, paid some bills, and yeah, see you in the next video. Stay tuned.